Dell has been involved in the creation of some very impressive aircraft, including one of the sisters to this airplane, the Yak 110. As we continue to reach this point of the